When it comes to trucking accidents, these cases can be way more complex than your average auto case. As everyone knows, trucks are going to be longer, they're wider, they're heavier, they require greater stopping distances, and the kind of damage that they can do to a car and another human is obviously substantial and sometimes even fatal. So, when you're dealing with a truck accident, it can involve multiple insurance companies because these are commercial operations. It may be a subcontractor, it may be an independent driver, or it may be a driver for an actual company that's a direct hire. It can involve other things like how the truck was loaded and who is responsible for that. It really depends on the circumstances of each case, obviously. But again, the causes of an accident with a truck can be extremely complicated. So there's a variety of different things that you can get out of a trucking case accident as far as evidence is concerned. There's obviously the black box that's usually got a lot of helpful information about the causes of an accident and can be really helpful in, pursuing a claim. The electronic logging device, that's another one. Obviously, that's unique to trucks and commercial vehicles, and obviously maintenance records. If there was a problem with the brake or some kind of maintenance that wasn't done and contributed to this accident, that's not necessarily something you're going to know or see right out of the gate. It's not necessarily obvious. So those are super important to go look into. Drivers' hours of service logs. Those are another one. If the driver has been, driving for more than they should and shouldn't have been on the road, that may be a huge contributing factor. And if they're already violating some law like that, that could really help your case. And again, these are, complicated things to start getting into, and it's not just obvious like it is for, say, a regular driver. Cargo loading manifests. Again, that's going to be something that gets into whether or not that load was properly put in and who did it. It could be a completely different company, in which case that would trigger other insurance. And also, finally, I would get into hiring and the screening of drivers. They may have hired somebody that wasn't qualified, wasn't licensed, and these aren't the kinds of things that you would just find out immediately. So, these are kind of just some of the reasons why it's super important to get a lawyer who knows what they're doing with trucking accidents and get the right help immediately. Do not talk to another insurance company about this on the trucking side. Get a lawyer, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you, but just don't start making statements to an insurance company without a lawyer. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.